Well, welcome to course content. I'm glad you successfully completed your syllabus quiz. So after you pass the syllabus quiz, you see this page. The course is going to have 3 parts, but only the first part will be visible. We'll be looking at biological molecules and cellular biology. So we'll be looking at things that are very, very small. I'm going to start with a review of chemistry. So you click the part 1 and the first chapter will open, Biology, Exploring Life. So this folder, when we click it, will contain our learning objectives. You need to look through your learning objectives so that you can make sure that you're hitting all of the important points. There's a checklist for the chapter to make sure that you've done everything. There'll be a link to your biology textbook. You can also buy a hard copy of the textbook if you wish. This one has a PowerPoint lecture, and there's a Mastering Biology homework and extra credit. So if we click here, this one begins with the Practice Mastering assignment and a Chapter 1 assignment. These are both graded assignments. You need to make sure you do them. This next one is the Dynamic Study module. All the Dynamic Study modules are for extra credit. You don't have to do the Dynamic Study modules. They are very helpful, however. Okay, so let's go back to Chapter 1. And after you've finished your reading, looking through the PowerPoint, done your homework, you should be ready to take this quiz. It's an open book quiz. You'll only have one chance to take it. And after you take it, you'll be able to see the next chapter.